Hi there and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet these sakura flower bookmarks. They are easy and quick to make, and also they look super pretty in anything you use it for. So yeah, let's get started. These are the materials you will need, and these are the abbreviations of every stitch. So first, for the flower, start with a magic ring. Grab your yarn and pull it with your hook, like this. Then make 5 single crochets into the ring. Now close it, and after that, in your first single crochet, make 1 slip stitch. Now you're going to chain 3. Then in the same stitch, make 1 triple crochet. Then chain 1, and now make a slip stitch in the top of the triple crochet. So these are the 3 chains we did before, and this is the triple crochet. Then this is the top of the triple crochet. So pass your hook, and you should have these 2 loops right here, and make the slip stitch. Now in the same stitch, make another triple crochet. Chain 1, and again a slip stitch in the top of the triple crochet. Now again 1 triple crochet in the same stitch. And now chain 3. Then you're going to slip a stitch into the next stitch. And that's it, you have your first petal. Now we will repeat this pattern 4 more times, so we should have 5 petals. So this is my last slip stitch. And finally I will cut my yarn and tie it. Finally, we have to hide these left yarns. In my case, I will weave them. Now with the other yarn we will make the details. So grab your needle and yarn, and we're going to sew on the center of the flower. So first, make one long line on each petal, like this. Then return. And now make one short line between the petals, like this. And continue. Then return. Finally, we have to hide these left yarns. And that's it, we have finished the flower. Now we are going to make the string of the bookmarks. This one is like a normal bookmark. So now for the second idea, we have to start with a magic ring. So again, grab your yarn and pull it with your hook, like this. Then make 6 single crochets into the ring. Then close it. And after that, in your very first single crochet, make a slip stitch. We have to hide this left yarn. Now we will start making chains. And these chains have to be as long as the height of your book. Something like this. So now when you finish, chain 1 and tie it. And then cut the yarn, leaving a long tail. Now we're going to attach it to the flower. We will do it like we did with the other bookmark, but this time we will do it at the center of the flower. So insert your yarn in the needle, grab the flower and flip it over so you can see the back, and then pass through the center, like this. Then return and pass through one chain of the string. Then pass through the little circle here. And now tie it. You can see that we have made like a knot. So now to secure it, we will pass side to side with the yarn in this same stitch. We will do this various times, so this will make sure it won't slip off. Finally, just cut the left yarn. And that's it, we have finished the second idea. It should look like this. And as I said, this one is like a normal bookmark. And it looks very pretty in anything you use it for. And yep, that's it, we have finished crocheting these beautiful bookmarks. As I said, they are very useful. You can use them for whatever you want and they will look super cute. So yeah, I really hope you have liked this tutorial. And if you have any doubts or questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching and enjoy your time crocheting. Bye!